So today, working on the truck. She doesn't blow cold air on the driver's side. I don't have one of those little heat sensors to tell you or show you. Just believe me when I say everyone has these issues. For the blend door to go out. On this side, very warm, very cool over here. What happens is this, there's this blend door actuator that tells the air to come left to right. And what happens on the driver's side is this thing gets stuck, it's broken. So I got a new part. Here's the part number right here. I'll put a link to one on Amazon if you want. And yeah. Let's get this sucker replaced. It's gonna have a pain in the butt. And I'm gonna try doing this without using a tool like a Altel or a computer to recycle the AC. I'm gonna try doing that by pulling the plug or the fuse. So hoping that works. If not, it's a gamble. Off to my friend's house to use his shop, and we'll get started. So we started diving into it. It started raining and stuff. This is usually what you have to deal with. How's your arm? Ooh. It's pretty nasty. Anyway, we got the old part off right here. And about to go put the new one in. Something to note. It's not easy. Like they keep saying, you literally have to go above the airbox after you take those modules out and go straight in. I used the other part as a reference. The clip came off pretty easy after you unscrew it, the 2 screws. And while you're in here, do the cabin air filter. That's my recommendation. You don't have to take the airbag out. That's something we learned too. We didn't take the airbag out, but we were on that path. All right, so again, took off this brace right here. We took off the bottom panel. We took off that module. We took off airbox deal. This isn't a how-to, it's just something we're fixing on. So, all right, I'm gonna get to putting this back in, and hopefully we can get it in there pretty easy. Have you ever seen those people with the cows? They stick their whole arm just way in there. That's what you're doing in here. So if you can kind of imagine, like you're going up and you're going elbow deep all the way in here. That's just partial of what you're doing to get that last screw, which is super pain in the butt. So make sure you get it on the dowel first. You get your first screw in, that way it's stable and all screwed in, and then you'll do the back one. So, and your arm will look something like this, unless you like duct tape the area off, but maybe put you like tape on your hand. That maybe would protect it. Oh well, we're gonna put this back together. And yeah, we got the new piece in. Let's hope it works. Oh, she's working. We also replaced the cabin filter. There's also a rat's nest on it. So, like I said, this is so nasty. And that was on top of it, that rat nest. I'm gonna take her for a quick ride and make sure she's cool enough. But from little preliminaries, we saw it open up and close all the way. So it seems to be working like it should. So the AC is on full on blast and it feels so amazing right now. I need one of those thermometers I can show you guys when things are hot or cold. I keep telling myself that, but haven't got it yet. But yes, feels amazing. Apparently just unplugging everything and putting the new one on kind of reset itself. I'm not saying that's how you should do it. I know there's a procedure for it, but... This is editing mic. I forgot to add there that I did unhook my battery for 15 minutes. Now this did work for me. I'm not saying it'll work for you guys. You do run the risk. The proper procedure is to use that machine to reset and recalibrate. But just want to throw that in there. Alright, let's say goodbye to Jason. And I'll say goodbye to you guys too. Until next time guys, have a good one.